Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney back with another video. Today, I want to talk to you about StanStore, and we're going to do a review of StanStore, why I love it, why I think you should sign up for a free 14-day trial, $30 a month after that, because I love this system, and I'm going to tell you why. If you use a program like ClickFunnels, you have to customize everything about it. Like you have to know how to insert the forms, the colors, what to put on the funnel for people to click. This is an all in one platform. And all you have to do is customize the colors and add your products. So here's my homepage. You'll see I've had 12 store visits from June 1st to June 8th. Okay. If I go to the last 7 days, I've had 12. If I go 14 days, it's 17. Okay. So you can go over here to my store. And like I said, it's $30 a month, but this $30 pays for itself. And if you do videos like this and show people how to use StanStore and get 10 people underneath you, which is affiliate marketing, you don't have to pay for it. Okay. So you'll see here, here's my page. Here's what it'll look on a cell phone, like on a cell phone. Okay. I have all my socials linked. If you haven't already subscribed or hit the bell notification, go ahead and do that now. So you see my free guide, my affiliate to millions course that I'm promoting. Use StanStore for 14 days free. If you go to StanStore by yourself, they do not give you a trial. You have to go through somebody's link. It costs you no more money. It just gives you 14 days free. Okay. The secret sauce sneak peek, if you want to do faceless digital marketing on Instagram, the secret sauce is all about Instagram. So this sneak peek is all about this course right here. AI to sales and my course, Faceless Sales Blueprint. Okay, but I can go here and I can click add product. You can collect emails. You can do a coaching call. You can put your own e-course in here, a webinar, URL and media, Stan affiliate link, community, recurring memberships, custom product, or a digital product, guys. Okay, so you can make your own products and refer people and put any link that you want. And it's a all-in-one platform that looks neat and clean for people. You can also scroll here to see how it looks on your cell phone. Okay. If you want to create a section like I did here, if you wanted to get into faceless digital marketing to separate, you can do that as well by hitting add section. Okay. You can also do landing pages and you can edit your design. You can have your design look like however you want it to. Okay. If I wanted to edit my design and I liked this one, okay, you can see it over here. Okay. Um, you can change this. You can also change the colors. Okay. Colors are down here. You can also change the font. Okay. If you want to change the font, it's completely customizable. This is your StanStore. This is yours. You're paying for it. Okay. So I want you to decide what one you like best and change the colors to that. Okay. Which layout you like better, what font you like, you know. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay. This is how it looks on the cell phone. I'm going to hit save. Okay. This will show you your income. If you click over on income, it's going to load it. It's going to tell you where your clicks are coming from. If we go, hold on. I've made $0, so that doesn't matter. But it shows me if I have 17 clicks, 17 store visits, zero revenue, and zero leads. But if I scroll down here, where are my customers coming from? 11 of those are coming from Instagram, five of them come from Stan Store, and other come from two. That could be YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, wherever. Okay? So it does show you community, affiliate, what your referrals you can have. You can hook this to Instagram and have it auto DM people when they send you a message about your product. Um, and then you can customize the settings. This is an amazing all in one product. If you want it, click the link down below to get your free trial today of Stan Store. It's a wonderful all in one product. I'm going to keep doing videos about it because I stand behind it. I love it. It's not complicated, it's not hard, it's not confusing. It's amazing. Okay? If you guys want your free trial, please click the link down below and I will be back tomorrow with another video. Thank you so much for watching.